Hey everyone, this is Tom from Chaseki and we're broadcasting live from our tea house here in Chiang Mai. And today I would like to introduce you to Shincha. At our last vacation or on our last trip to Japan in May of this year, 2019, we went to a tea farm from Marushige, and they're specialized on Kabusecha and Gyokuro, but also they're very famous for the Shincha. So this is the first flush of 2019. And as you can see, actually they put the date on there. So this is from April the 25th of April 2019. First flush of this year from Marushige. And this is a very, very nice Shincha. I want to show you a little bit more of the tea leaf. So as you can see, this is a very, very, very nice color, very vibrant green. And the smell is also very awesome, fruity aromas. And I'm going to brew a cup or two of this wonderful Shincha, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So most important, the water temperature for this tea is 70 degrees Celsius. And I already prepared the tea in here, so that's 5 grams. Very nice. And I'm adding 200 milliliters of the water in here, and maybe I should start. Okay, so there we go. That's 200 ml, and I started the timer a little bit late, so you need 1 minute at 70 degrees Celsius. I had a delay of about 5 seconds, so I will start pouring about 5 seconds before the time is up. Marushige is actually quite popular and famous in Japan. There are Kabusecha is award-winning, so they go on competition every year, and it's a family-owned business, very small, in very close to the ocean. So when you stand in their tea fields, you can actually see the ocean. It's very, very nice. And the owner was so kind to take us around, and they showed us everything of their tea plantations. All right, the time is pretty much up now. I'm starting to pour. And as you can see, this is a very nice color. And I can see a lot of essential oils on top of the tea, which is a good sign. This time I did not use a filter. Usually I use a filter so I don't have that much floating tea in my cup. Okay, this should be it. All right. Okay. So you can see it's a very, very nice color, and I'm going to give it a try now. Usually I don't pour that much into my cup, but I don't have a Unomi right now, just the Gyokuro cups. Very nice, very smooth, no bitterness at all. Actually, it's a very, very sweet. It's incredible. Very sweet Shincha. A lot of floral aromas in there. I have a little bit of rose, I would say, and buttery, definitely buttery, and you have that very fresh vegetal aroma to it. A little bit like green peas, and very, very buttery. It's incredible how creamy and actually, yeah, like butter. Creamy and buttery. That actually is the right expression for this tea. Creamy, buttery, and fruity, floral. Very, very nice. So, I can't stop drinking this. Amazing. If you have a chance to get your hands on Shincha, I definitely recommend you to do so. It's a little bit rare to get this, but some tea farms actually offer it. If you want to, you can contact us directly or leave a comment in our comment box below. We still have a little bit left over of these, and if you're interested, just let us know and maybe we can get you some of our tea. It's not listed in our online shop because we don't have enough to actually sell in big portions, but for somebody that really would like to try it, I'm pretty sure that we can give you something. All right, that will be all for today. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to do so. Please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get a message every time that we upload a new video. And please also follow us on our social media, such as Facebook at facebook.com/chaseki.tea, Instagram at chasekitea.com. Also visit our website at www.chasekitea.com. And that will be all for today. I'm heading home and I'll see you tomorrow in one of our next videos. Have a wonderful evening, day, wherever you are. Take good care and always drink the good stuff. All right, bye-bye.